Ever felt a little iffy about handing over a wad of cash for a big purchase? Maybe you're buying a used car from someone you met online, or putting a down payment on a dream vacation rental. In situations like these, where trust might be a bit shaky, there's a safer way to go: the trusty cashier's check. But if you've never gotten one before, you might be wondering, how much does a Capital One cashier's check cost? That's exactly what we're here to break down today, along with a few other key things to know about Capital One cashier's checks. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of secure payments. The all-important cost breakdown. All right, I know you came here for the number. A Capital One cashier's check actually has two different price points depending on how you get it. In-branch purchase: head to your local Capital One branch, and you'll be looking at a fee of $10. That's a pretty standard rate for cashier's checks across most banks. Online Bestelling, German for ordering now. If you're the tech-savvy type and prefer the online route, Capital One charges a $20 fee for cashier's checks ordered through their website or app. There's a catch though: this fee covers expedited shipping to get that check in your hands faster. So, in-branch or online? Here's the thing: the choice between getting your cashier's check in-branch or online depends on your priorities. Need it fast? Go online. If time is of the essence and you need the check ASAP, the online option with expedited shipping might be your best bet. Save some cash, go in-branch, but if you're not in a rush and can swing by a Capital One branch, then the in-branch purchase for $10 is a clear winner for your wallet. Beyond the cost, other things to know. Alright, we've got the cost covered, but there are a few other things to keep in mind about Capital One cashier's checks. Payee matters. When you get your cashier's check, you'll need to specify who it's payable to. Once it's made out to a particular person or business, only they can cash it. Limits. Capital One has limits on the amount you can get on a cashier's check. Online orders can't exceed $250,000 in a single transaction, and there's a daily limit too. Check with Capital One directly for the most up-to-date information on their limits. Not a replacement for everything. Cashier's checks are great for secure transactions, but they're not always the answer. For everyday purchases, your debit or credit card might be a better option. Cashier's check champion. So, there you have it. Now you know exactly how much a Capital One cashier's check costs, and a few other handy details to consider. With a cashier's check in your hand, you can approach that next big purchase with a little more peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.